Good morning, students. Now the chapter that we are going to do is Deep Water. The author is William Douglas. This chapter is from Flamingo. You already know, we are doing Flamingo, and this chapter deals with the fear of a child when he has drowned. Now, beta, I will just explain some points in Hindi. Rest I will explain in English because I want you to understand this chapter. What is fear? Fear is the biggest thing that stops us from doing many things. When we are afraid of something, we don't do it. For example, somebody is afraid of jumping. He will never try to jump across maybe a ditch or something. He will be afraid that he will fall down in the ditch. You see, there are many advertisements coming on the television where they teach, like you see that ad, I think that ad of Limca, no, I think Sprite maybe. So, that they teach that you have to overcome fear. Now, this chapter deals exactly with that how a child, he overcome his fear of swimming. As a small child, the chapter, again I repeat, it is deep water. As a small child, he was little afraid of water. But his father told him, no, beta, you have to learn swimming. So he went to learn swimming. And he used to go, he had started learning swimming little bit. थोड़ी स्विमिंग उसको आई थी, जैसे पैड्स लगा के अपने इधर वो ट्यूब्स लगा लेते हैं, वाटर ट्यूब. He was a small child. तो ट्यूब्स लगा के he used to swim. One day he went to the swimming pool and he was alone in the pool. I mean, he didn't enter the pool, he was just outside the swimming pool. So one day when he went to the pool, he was just sitting outside. Now there was nothing afraid because the smaller side, the less deep side, I mean the shallow side of the pool was 3 to 4 feet. While the deep side was around 9 feet deep. So he was sitting on the deep side and just thinking. And suddenly what? A big boy comes and pushes him inside the swimming pool. Now just imagine that you do not know how to swim and you are a small child and some big person comes and pushes you inside the water. What will happen? Naturally, he was to drown. But still, this child is the author here, right? He wanted to come up because he was not afraid immediately. He thought that he will go towards the bottom of the pool and then he will feel the bottom and jump up. Just because the water has a reverse reaction. Understand? The water has a reverse reaction. It pushes you up. ऊपर की तरफ पानी तुम्हें धक्का मारता है. Correct? तो वो उसको कॉन्फिडेंस था कि मेरे को पानी धक्का मारेगा और मैं बाहर निकल आऊंगा. जबकि वो छोटा बच्चा था. The author. Correct? So, वो अपनी तरफ से he touches the bottom of the pool and he pushes up. But it was not so. जैसे उसने सोचा था that he will come up like a cork. What is a cork? Cork is a porous material जिसको पानी में अगर डालते हैं जितना मर्जी उसको अंदर कर दो वो अपर स्विम करके आ जाती है. That's cork, right? So cork, he thought he would come up like a cork, but that didn't happen. He came up, but he didn't reach the level of his eyes and nose came out, but rest of the body again started drowning. And he started going down. This process continued for 4 to 5 minutes and he tried 4 to 5 times and he tried to come up but he was not successful. Ultimately what he felt he was fainting, he was dying. So ultimately what his thing was कि उसको ऐसे लगा कि बस अब सारी दुनिया खत्म हो गई. So he was getting a fainting feeling. Now what does he say? He says the fear of death is in death itself, right? Because the fear of death is in death itself and not otherwise. So there is no terror, only terror in the fear of death. In death there is peace. So he was feeling peaceful. He was feeling कि बस अब कोई बात नहीं, मेरी दुनिया खत्म, कोई नहीं. He was ready to leave the world. And then he faints. Now next what he sees is, he sees कि उसकी बॉडी में से उसको पंप करके पानी निकाल रहे हैं. They're pumping like this. And उसकी बॉडी में से पानी निकल रहा है. और वो जो बड़ा सा बुली लड़का था, that big bully boy, वो तो कहता है मैं तो जोक कर रहा था, आई वॉज जस्ट जोकिंग, आई वॉज जस्ट हैविंग फन. But fun for him was life taking for this small child, the author, right? But anyway, he recovers. William Douglas. This is William Douglas recovers, and वो उसके बाद he goes to his house. But then उसको he becomes very much afraid of the water. Now when he becomes afraid of the water, he wants to overcome this fear of water. How to overcome the fear? अब वो ही ट्राइज, पहले तो वो बहुत टाइम तो स्विमिंग करता ही नहीं है. देन ही हायर्स अ प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर. फिर वो प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर, व्हाट डज द ट्रेनर डू, उसको एक रोप से ऊपर से रोप